Hello, I'm Barak Schlesinger from EcoZone Technologies. Let me talk to you about fire and flood disasters. Disasters happen without any warning. A house fire with soot residue on the ceiling and walls. Floods are happening all over the world these days. The world is going crazy due to climate change. Remnants of disasters such as soot on the wall with a smoky smell that does not leave the house even after renovations and repainting, mold and fungi, with a bad and allergy-inducing smell that remains on the walls and does not leave even after using chemicals that also leave unpleasant residues. EcoZone Technologies and its devices are the solution to these disasters. Our ozone devices produce the most powerful disinfectant and cleaner in nature, ozone. By connecting the device to electricity, an inexhaustible supply of cleaning and disinfectant is at your disposal. The ozone reaches every part of the room or house being treated and removes and kills the cause of bad odors, including the killing of fungi and mold. Due to the need to meet tight deadlines, we have developed devices that can also decompose ozone, thereby saving valuable time and a lot of money without having to wait for the ozone to decompose naturally. Professional efficiency and money savings are the secret of EcoZone Technologies and its devices. Ultimately, EcoZone Technologies and its devices are the best partner for solving these problems for cleaning and damage restoration companies. Contact us in any way that suits you. We are here to assist and support you.